All right, y'all. Tonight we have Vietnamese chicken curry. I'm just going low carb tonight, y'all, but I'm just having some good old chicken curry without any rice, noodles, or bread. Let's dig in. I have a little sriracha on a little heat and just some seaweed paper if I really need it. It's pretty soupy, and I might need something to absorb all that sauce. So good. Spicy. Anything with bone makes everything so flavorful. Man, that made me thirsty. It's a little bit salty, but it's so good. Let's get some seaweed paper. It is a little spicy, but I'm still gonna add some sriracha because I like the flavor. Seaweed. Very flavorful. You guys gotta make it. It's gonna be so good with some steamed rice or even udon noodles. That's my favorite. Vietnamese chicken curry. Make it.